Hey guys, Steve here. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can start earning more money right now from home using a simple formula. Now, the formula it's a common formula. Everybody knows it. Most people, not most, all people who are online and making money online use this basic formula. I mean, it's one of the fundamentals, right? And I can just tell you briefly what it is. It's you have your traffic source, you have a capture page linked with some kind of autoresponder for email follow-ups, and you have your offer. So those are the only three things you need. And every business online uses those basic three things, and they may freak them a little bit and add extra bridge pages in to make it 4 steps, or add, a system in place to walk you through. I'll show you real quick. So on this page here, it's just an outline of this is my general outline of a simple system, and it could be a more complex system here, right? Your step one is, like I said, you have your first component. Your first step is that you have traffic. You drive that traffic somehow, right? Whether it's paid, free, or offline. You bring it on to your web page where you can collect their emails, which allows you to follow up with them using different broadcasts. You can add a component in there where you're offering different bonuses to entice them to sign up to your offer. That's an additional step. But that's all part of step 2. And then step 3 is where your offer, or component 3 is your offer, right? Where you present what you're giving them, whether it's something free, whether it's a low ticket item like $7 or $50 or $30, or even a high ticket item. It just all depends what you're comfortable with selling, what your mindset is going to allow you to sell. Because to be honest with you, the same effort you put in to promote a free offer, you can always promote a $100 offer too. It's the same effort. It's all about where your mindset is, though. What your limiting belief is. If you don't believe you could sell a $100 offer, well, of course, you're not going to be able to sell it, even though the steps are identical. That's why I'm saying this formula is the common formula. I don't know. No, I'm tripping. But anyway, the common formula. This is the basic formula for every online business. And if you really look at everybody's setup, look at their funnels, look at the way they market on Facebook, on social media, they're all driving their traffic back to a capture page, right? Collecting that email information, giving that person something, and then following up with them later. I mean, you're on enough email lists that you see the formula. You see it all in action, right? So that's just the simple concept. Now, what we should be trying to do is, back to what I said, is on variable number 3, we want to maximize our revenue. We want to maximize the amount of money we're bringing in. We want to maximize, right, our earning potential. Now, our limiting belief only allows us to give away small items here and there. I mean, I do that too. I give away small things because I believe that you have to have, there's something for everybody, right? So, but like I said, it's the same effort it takes to sell a low ticket item it takes the same amount of effort to sell a low ticket item that it does to sell a $100 item, right? You just get more bang for your buck, especially if you're going to be using paid traffic, right? So anyway, with that said, the offer I want to do a review on and show you is called the Power Lead System Lead Generation Academy. Now, like I said, the whole concept is leads, getting leads. Now, if you didn't know, your social media account, whether you're on Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook, right, that is a giant lead magnet. You know why? Because it's a platform that offers you a way to connect with whoever you want, right? You give them your email address. Let's go back to the diagram real quick. You give them, it's free to join Facebook, right? You give them your email address to get access onto the platform. And while you're on the platform, guess what part takes place? The part that takes place is the follow-ups, basically. Because you can go on Facebook right now and see all kinds of ads in your timeline that you don't know why they're there, right? But they're always marketing something to you. You're on their list because you were the free traffic that was offline. You wanted to be part of this social media platform, so you gave them your email address, and they continually follow up with you because you're on their feed, right? They can just drop an ad in there anytime and generate thousands of dollars. That's what they do, right? So So anyway, it's all about the leads. I want you to really understand that it's really all about the leads, and you really need to be focusing on building your list. And with that being said, Power Lead System has created a lead generation academy that teaches you, and it has a free trial if I didn't say that, that teaches you how to start building leads, to generating leads, right? So here's just some of the things that you get. It's complete push button easy, built for any business. You get access to a private Facebook group. You get weekly interactive training, questions answered live. Top earners provide the training. There's absolutely no experience required. Why? Because they teach you everything and they give you the tools that you need to do it, right? All the training is archived, so you can access training from months and weeks and years ago. And there's a way to connect with your leads, right? So, like I said, it's a free trial, and here's some of the things that you will learn. You will learn Facebook marketing, Instagram lead generation, YouTube marketing, offline guerrilla marketing, copywriting for sales, direct response marketing, text message marketing, prospect mastery, email copywriting, attraction marketing, personal brand building, blog marketing, postcard lead generation, phone prospecting scripts, follow-up marketing, and affiliate team building. So those are just some of the things that can help you increase your conversions and sales in any business, right? Those are skills that once you learn, that no one can take you away. That's what makes this so powerful. And when you couple that training, this academy, on top of the commission structure that you can actually earn using this platform, it fits right into here. It fits right here. It fits right into variable number 3, right? I don't know why that reset, but it allows you to make $90 exponential commissions, right? So it's awesome, right? So just think about that. For every lead that comes in that becomes a paying member, you can generate a $90 commission off of. So with that being said, there's a plan, a blueprint that would allow you potentially to earn 6 figures in 10 weeks, right? I think it's 184,000 in 10 weeks, which is awesome. And I'll show you that plan here in a little bit. But so anyway, this is the compensation video. I advise you to check it out. Here's a diagram of the compensation plan. How you have your first sale, you keep them. Your second sale goes up to your sponsor. Your third sale you keep. Your fourth sale comes up to your sponsor, right? So if you just look here, it tells you what you're getting, what the compensations are. You got 2. So basically the way the plan is, and I'll show you that in a minute, you get 4 people your first week. You need 4 people a week. You get 4 people your first week, 2 get passed up to your sponsor, and 2 stay in your pay line, generating you $180 a month. But wait, it gets better, because then those 2 start generating 4 sales, right? 4 signups, and they have 2 that pass up to you. It's an awesome way to create leverage and generate exponential income, right? So that's the concept there. Not only that, there's another level of commissions that you get, but it's totally awesome, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for that. So this is just the general sales page for the Lead Generation Academy, brought to you by the Power Lead System. Now, if you're not familiar with the Power Lead System is a all-in-one marketing platform. Now, this is the variable number 2. So check this out. So we already said that the Lead Generation Academy is your sales portion, is your sales. You can put that in as an offer, right? Now, you need a marketing system to capture the emails, to do automatic email follow-ups and all like that, right? But not only that, it provides duplication for your team. And that's where the Power Lead System all-in-one marketing system comes in handy at, right? Now, this is the most complete, powerful all-in-one marketing platform. It has a video, but guess what? This has a free trial as well. So you can get started with both of these components for free and start generating traffic to it, just to start building up your leads faster while you're going to the training. You have you can pick a capture page, which I'll show you. I'll do the setup for you, but just wait before we get there. Part of the Power Lead System, these are just some of the things that you get. You can create unlimited capture pages. You have templates. You have share codes that you can share with your team. They're mobile responsive, has, like I said, a built-in autoresponder, but also you can integrate the capture pages with your third-party autoresponder, Aweber or GetResponse, which is awesome too, right? Because I have that component. You can add all kinds of other features. It has a blog, so it can be your all-in-one marketing platform where you can create blog sites. You can also have all your capture pages and various other things. And I mean, here's one. I showed you this one. This one's created in the Power Lead system. And this is obviously created in Power Lead system. This is created in the Power Lead system. This capture page is created in the Power Lead system. This sales page is created in the Power Lead system. You get the point, right? You get the point. So basically, the Power Lead system is the marketing platform, right, that we can put into our variable step number 2, where we're going to use to create our capture pages and generate our, let's go back here, and generate our, and capture our leads as they come through. And then the first component or the first variable is always traffic. And that's where the training from the Lead Generation Academy comes in at. They teach you how to generate leads. They teach you how to get traffic to your website. They teach you how to get those eyeballs in. So you can start building your downline, generating those $90 a month commissions and all of that. But what I want to show you also is the plan. There is a blueprint. There's some bonuses, obviously, that when you partner with me, you'll get these bonuses here, and I'll just briefly go across them. If you partner with me today and sign up for the free trial for both the Power Lead System and, of course, the Lead Generation Academy, you'll immediately reach out to me, and I will help you set up your whole system, right? I will upload the share codes with various capture pages. I will also give you access to the private Facebook group. I will provide you 100 clicks of traffic. Now, mind you, this is for signing up with me right at the beginning. So if you do free trials for both, right? You reach out, we get together, we exchange some kind of information or whatever. I help you set up your whole system, and then we'll start generating traffic and sending it to you, just solo ads, right? And then number 3, you'll qualify for a $500 restaurant cash voucher as soon as you sign up, right? You can't beat that, right? So that's that. And then after 30 days, you will get you'll get a 3-night hotel voucher for anywhere you want, right? So briefly, let's just go over the 6 figures and 10-week plan. All you need to do is get 4 referrals per week, and that's it, right? So week 1, if you're running traffic and you're sending this opportunity to them, people will sign up just because of the money, right? So week 1, you get 4. But also, hold on. Here's what makes the deal more sweeter. So when you sign up with me, I allow you to give away the restaurant voucher and the 3-night vacation stay, because I can do that, right? Because I'm part of a different platform that allows me to help my team and help my team grow. So we could talk about that after you sign up. But that right there alone will allow you to offer incentives to get people to sign up. But anyway, back to the plan. The plan is on the first week, you get 4 people. That's 2 passed up and 2 stay on your pay line. That's $90 times 2 members equals $180 per month. Your second week, those 2 people on your pay line each get 4, and they get 2 and they pass up, right? That's 4 more on your pay line. That's another what? So now you got 360 plus the 180. So now you're generating $540 a month. Now, mind you, that's only week 2. Week number 3, you do the same thing. That's 8 more on your pay line, right? That's another $720 additional dollars. That's $1,260 per month, and that's only in week number 3. Week number 4, and it's awesome in week number 4 because most people don't make this a month, right? Because those 8, they get additional people and they pass up for you, counting the people you already have, right? So that's 16 people on your pay line. You are collecting $1,440 plus the original $1,260 you're getting a month, and that's an additional $2,700 a month. Now we can stop right there. An additional $2,700 a month, that's life-changing, right? with an additional $2,700 a month, you can pay off bills. That's like pay off entitled total credit card type money, right? That's a house payment money. That's paying off your car early money, right? You can get out of debt money, right? So just think about that. After 4 weeks, after 1 month, you're already bringing in an additional, potentially bringing in an additional $2,700 a month. But it doesn't stop there. It goes on to week 5. It goes on to week 6. Now, it doesn't, the key is that you want to continuously bring leads in to keep generating additional leads. This is only saying you bring in 4, right? You only bring in 4 and then go from there. This isn't saying that you bring in 8. You bring in 4 this week and 8 next week. Or you bring in another 4 next week. See, it's not even adding that in. It's only keeping it basic to your first original 4. So you can bring in 4 people and don't do nothing else. And hopefully your downline that you show them, they do the same thing. You can sit back potentially, right? But who would do that? You want to ensure your success, so you want to stay active. That's what I would do. And that's what I am doing, right? You just stay active, always promoting your business, because you never know when someone's going to, quit, right? Just face it, people quit. So anyway, this is the blueprint. This is the outline, and I'll leave this in the link in the description box below. But that's all I really wanted to show you in this video. It's getting kind of long here. I just wanted to go over the new Lead Generation Academy. I wanted to touch a little bit on the Power Lead System, which is the marketing platform. I wanted to cover basically the formula for all online businesses and how you can use whatever company you want and plug it into these 3 different variable areas here, whatever traffic you want, whatever autoresponder service you want, and whatever offer you have. They're all interchangeable, but this basic formula is how all online business works. I mean, matter of fact, there's even an argument that this is how all business works, right? So, yeah, I submit to you that that is how all businesses work, because we can go on for another 10, 20 minutes and discuss how fast food restaurants use the same concept, where they bring you in, giving you $1 fries, and you walk out upsold to Big Mac, Happy Meals, and all kinds of other things. So the basic concept works. You just have to find the right triggers. You have to find the right solutions to people's problems, and the system will do all the selling, the telling, and the explaining for you. So anyway, that's all that I got. Went on long enough. Again, this is about the Power Lead System, Lead Generation Academy, and how you can start earning money today using this simple formula combined with this 6 figures and 10-week plan. That's all that I got. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.